Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about SamCart, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add an admin or a team member into your SamCart? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add an admin or a team member into your SamCart anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a lot of different VAs or coworkers, and you want to add them into your SamCart to help manage your products. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your SamCart dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my SamCart, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and add an admin or a team member, here on the left menu, you're going to click on settings. It looks like a gear icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this other menu here on the left, and you want to click on users. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see all the team members and admins you have in your account. You can see it's just me. And in order to add another admin, here on the top right, click on this blue new user button. Okay, first what you're going to do is go ahead and enter in their email address. Make sure you use the correct email address because they will need to accept the invitation to be added as an admin into your SamCart. Next, you want to go ahead and choose their user role. For me, I'm going to go ahead and choose administrator. Okay, once you've entered in the required information, you want to click on this blue save button. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see we've added a new admin into our. Now, if you look over here to the right, status, it says request sent. So they're not going to actually have access to my SamCart until they click on the link and accept the invitation. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add an admin or a team member into your SamCart, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.